We've got here a TD4 2006 diesel 2 litre. Okay, now I was originally having problems where it would suddenly stop, go really lumpy and stop abruptly. Then it'd be really difficult to start it. It would run for a few seconds and then conk out. I finally found that it was the sensor switch on the end of the fuel rail, which is just down here. So if you look at the engine here, you go in here, there's a sensor down there. Now the connector to that sensor becomes a bit dodgy. There's actually a seal in it, and my seal had broken and it was causing the switch not to make contact. So if you have problems with your TD4 where it is suddenly conking out, then not starting, or running really rough and then conking out again, try this first. Okay, try the simple thing first. A lot of people say it's your turbo or it's your vacuum pipes, but this is a really simple one to try. All you have to do is remove this part of the air filter, take that off, you'll get easy access to that switch, which is just there, just down there. Okay, hope that helps.